To make the mango crepes, blend 2 tablespoons of National Mango Jam, half a teaspoon of mango essence, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 cup whole milk, 4 eggs together, 3 tablespoons of salted butter. Puree until the mixture is smooth and bubbles form on the top, for about 30 seconds. Let batter sit at least 15 minutes at room temperature. Heat a 12-inch nonstick skillet over medium. And lightly coat with butter. Add 1/4 cup of the crepes batter and swirl to completely cover bottom of skillet. Cook until underside of crepe is golden brown for 2 to 3 minutes. Loosen edge of crepe with a rubber spatula, then with your fingertips, quickly flip. Cook 1 minute more. Slide crepe out of skillet and repeat with remaining batter. For mango sauce, whisk together 4 tablespoons of National Mango Jam, 1 glass mango juice, 3 tablespoons salted butter, 1 tablespoon mango chunks. Stir all the ingredients in a saucepan and put it on flame. Cook it for 5 to 6 minutes until it becomes thick syrup. Turn off the flame. For mango custard, whisk in 5 tablespoons of sugar in 1 glass boiling milk. In another bowl, dissolve in 1 tablespoon of mango custard in 2 tablespoons of milk and add it to this mixture with low flame on. Keep stirring until it becomes thick and smooth. For the assembling, make each crepe and pour 2 tablespoons mango custard on each, fold in 4 ways and make a stack of 8 to 12 crepes. Drizzle over the mango sauce and garnish with mint leaves, cream and mango, orange.